This is Cameron from the Math Museum at Fulcher Center, and today we're going to go over systems of equations using substitution. So today I have two equations here, negative 7x minus 2y equals negative 13, and x minus 2y equals 11. So we're going to go ahead and start to solve for the x and y of this equation, where they meet on the graph. So here, the first thing to do is to look at both equations and say, which one is easiest to simplify first? Basically, what we want to do is have one variable equal the rest of the equation, so that we can substitute into the other equation. So for me, this one looks really, really easy to simplify, just because I can move the negative 2y to the other side and have x equal the rest of the equation. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So as I said, we're going to keep x over here and move the 2y to the other side of the equation, so it'll be positive 2y plus 11. And from there, now that I have an x value, I can go ahead and plug the x into the other equation. So my new equation will look like this. I have negative 7 times 2y plus 11 minus 2y equals negative 13. So as you can see, we just moved what x equals right to what the x used to be for the other equation. So just substitution straight in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring this negative 7 and apply it to each part within this parenthesis here. Okay? So negative 7 times 2y is negative 14y. Negative 7 times 11 is negative 77. We have negative 2y equals negative 13. We're going to go ahead and simplify this by combining like terms. So negative 14y minus 2y is negative 16y. Minus 77, go ahead and just move that on this side. So it'll be plus 77. And that will be 54. Right?
64.
I'm sorry, 64. And from here, we go ahead and just divide negative 16 on both sides. So y equals negative 4. Okay, so that's one of the variables that we have here. Now that we have the y, we can go ahead and plug this y back into any equation we want and solve for x. So here, I'm just going to plug it back into this equation again. And so x, I'm going to separate this. X minus 2, it's negative 4, plus, this equals negative 2 times negative 4 plus 11. Simplify this guy. X equals negative 8 plus 11. Therefore, x equals 30. So guys, there's a lot of steps involved, but honestly, it's pretty straightforward. Again, simplify your equation to have a variable equaling the rest of the equation, substitute it in, and then from there, it's just algebraic equations, simplifying, combining like terms, and solving for the variable. So guys, this is systems of equations using substitution. Hope it helps.